Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to customize your social share buttons. Let's get started. Click on your social share element. Once you do that, relevant tools will appear on the action bar above. And from here, you can change its orientation. So you can change it to horizontal or vertical. It depends on you. You can manage your share buttons. So from over here, if you click on the three dot button next to the platform you want to work on, you should see an option to replace your icon, rename it, or hide it. Next, you can go to display elements. So in case you want to either show or hide just the icons or just the text, this is where you want to go. Then you have settings. This is where you can set which page you'd like your social share element to be displayed. Then you can go to all design options where you can fine tune the spacing or layout of your social share buttons. On this drop down, you can also switch to your icons themselves so that you'll be able to adjust the size of your icons and their rotation as well if you want to. So go ahead and tweak these settings according to your needs and preferences, and once you're done, your changes will just automatically be saved. That's it for today, guys. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.